All right, hey everybody, we're back at Old City Cemetery, an unplanned trip. If you're ever here looking for the Baxter Monument, it's on the highest peak in the cemetery. But we were kind of in the neighborhood. We thought we'd come and check out General Ewell's headstone. It's been a few weeks since the cleaning, and there you go. Tremendous difference. That's the way it should look. That is the way it should look. That's not bad at all. Like I said, we were in the neighborhood, and that's what we were trying to achieve. And with that, we'll get out of here. We've been all over the place today. DeKalb County, a creek, getting some more rock for some landscaping we're going to do, and then some other awesome slabs I got from the side of the road. There's Judy waiting on me. If you've never been here, this is a look at portions of Old City Cemetery here in Nashville. Been a kind of gloomy rain on and off through the day. I still managed to get out and do something. Anyway, we'll let you go. We'll get back to you next time.